Today, I'm going to be painting this gelatinous cube. Here we go.
Let's paint.
For starters, we're going to hit the base on this guy. I'm doing a little dry brushing to match the dungeon project I'm working on, so we're starting with the dark gray, working up to light gray. Next, we're going to paint the cube. Now, if you've been following my work, you'll know that I'm a big fan of dry brushing and contrast paints. Well, today I'm trying to increase my skill level, and I'm working on some base layer highlighting techniques. So I'm starting with this base layer of wog flesh from Citadel. Cover the whole model in a couple thin coats, and we move on. The next color up is moot green, so I am mixing half moot green, half that wog flesh, and trying to work my way up, slow and steady, layer after layer. Now, since I'm learning, it took me several layers to get to this point that I'm at. Probably 2 layers on each color, laps around the whole cube, just to kind of get the feel and the scheme that I'm wanting. Now, I probably could have stopped here, but I just didn't think the top was bright and foamy enough. So I did a little white dry brushing on top of that and really didn't like it anymore. So quick coat of some scorpion green contrast paint, and that nailed exactly what I was looking for. Some dark green recesses with some bright green edges. Next, I went back and I touched up the base stones where I had a little bit of over brushing from the green. After that, I did a couple laps, hitting all the little bits of body parts and shields and weapons. Nothing too crazy here. I used some flayed one flesh for the skin and bones with a little bit of a skeleton horde wash on top. The shields, I just did some lead belcher on the edges and some wildwood for the wooden portions. As for the gold, I did a quick one coat with Averland Sunset, followed up by some gold metallic paints. The last step is doing a wash. I do a Nuln oil wash on everything. I feel like it ties everything together very nice. I started out hitting all of the little miscellaneous bits before realizing that I wanted to make it a little bit darker overall. So I really targeted the nooks and crannies and did a very, very light coat of Nuln oil on the bright spots, just so that it tied everything together and gave it the same sheen at the end. Quick lap around the edge with some Abaddon Black, and we're done. Check out the next video for the full diorama build that I use this guy in. It's called The Dungeon. See ya!